Everyone. In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of Perplexity. And Perplexity is kind of like a ChatGPT or a Google Gemini or Cloud, but it's somewhat unique. And I'm going to show you some, at least one prompt going through it. And this is something that I did myself. I gave it a prompt, teach me about the closest star to Earth besides the sun. And it knows it, and I think that's quite good. So again, this is kind of an alternative to ChatGPT. And on the Wikipedia page, it says Perplexity AI is a conversational search engine that uses large language models, LLMs, to answer queries. Okay, um, so more or less, I think it's like a competitor to those other ones. And okay, so again, it's just like if you go to perplexity.ai, I'll just copy it like this. You might get something like this. Right now, I have it in incognito mode, but if you have an account, you can change it and it can save it. So it might be worth making an account if you want to continually use it. And I have this one prompt here. Um, I have these prompts for a while. This is to test the quality of an LLM. It says compose a persuasive argument for implementing your renewable energy sources. Okay, so let's put that in there. And it's pretty fast. And I think the answer is okay. I think, for example, ChatGPT might have given a better answer, or Google Gemini might have given a better answer, but I think this is overall pretty good. And one thing that's pretty good is that it gives these direct links. So, for example, we can directly go to the link, and for example, you see here the benefits of renewable energy. Here's another link. Okay, so you can think of Perplexity as almost a search engine, kind of like Google, but it gives an AI-generated answer, which I think is quite good. And it also has these search images, generate image, and so on. I'm not going to go through those because I've never tried them. But I think Perplexity is pretty good. And maybe we can try one more prompt here. Describe the potential benefits and risks of colonizing Mars. So we'll click on that. And the colonization of Mars presents both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. Okay, I think that's a good one. Okay, so it gives it benefits and the risks. And at the bottom, I think it at the, or maybe it doesn't give all the sources at the bottom, but you just have to click on the links. The pros and cons of space colonization. And then this is that's an article. It's a paper, I guess. So I think this is so Perplexity to me is pretty useful. And at least for this, I used to use a Perplexity a lot more. Nowadays, I mostly use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Hugging Chat, but I think Perplexity is a good alternative. And oftentimes, for example, I might ask a question like this, or something that I use more practically. I would usually give it to ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Hugging Chat. Sometimes I might also use Grok. So oftentimes, I usually use for something that's important for me, I usually will ask at least 4 different AI sources and compare the answers. But I think Perplexity is pretty good. And again, from the page, it says it's a conversational search engine that uses large language models to answer queries. And I don't know exactly if they're using, let's see here, are they using Bing? I don't know if they're using, I don't know how they get the direct links. Maybe they're using Bing or Google, or maybe they're uh, crawling the internet themselves. I honestly don't know. So anyway, this was an overview of Perplexity. It's a good alternative to ChatGPT and Google Gemini. And yeah, it might be worth checking out. You can use the free version, and I think it's pretty good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed.